Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to join the UKVGA multiplayer session and generally how to perform the new aerotows method. So when you load up FSX, you will actually come up with this window, free flight. You select normally your glider and load, then select your task and fly now, and it will load. And F6 will load up and place you at the starting airport or point. For this method we need multiplayer, as said, so we go here in the left menu, we go to multiplayer. I was logged in here, so but that's no problem. So when you click on multiplayer, you will come up with this window. You can select internet or local area network LAN. GameSpy is no longer active, so select local area network, and as the name, use your UKVGA name or your call sign. I will use here my call sign and my name, so I do here Alex and here my call sign in this brackets. So then you here login. Then this dialog will pop up, multiplayer, here with your call sign, and here's the list, but here there are no sessions here. So we need to press direct connect here. Then you need to enter a IP address. I have entered the IP address for the UKVGA session already. Here I will post this IP address in the UKVGA thread which I have created and under the video in the description. So when we have entered the IP, we just click search sessions. Then we have to wait a couple of minutes while the F6 tries to find the session and connects. Okay, FSX is connected to this session. Client loading complete. Then we have here our multiplayer menu. Here, who is online? I'm the only. These are two bots. Here we can chat, blah blah blah. But we don't need to do this. So, you can't directly choose load up flight and load the task, because if you do this you won't spawn at the starting point, because the host recognizes it as runway spawning and declines it. You have to use a small trick. So what I am doing, if you are the glider pilot and want to fly a glider, just here click change to change your aircraft. Then this will come up, select aircraft. I will select for this tutorial the K8. Okay, loaded. Here you can change your call sign if you want. And then what we want to do, no, we won't press this button. We go to this and select as airport, for example, Shoreham, or it isn't. It is, you can select also New York or so, because it doesn't matter what you select. But it's important not to select the starting point. So for example, Bitford, Davidstow or Orient. And here select a parking and not a runway, because you were kicked for that, for runway spawning. So in this tutorial I will select Shoreham, okay. Then here we are completed, and we are pressing OK here, and then connect. Then F6 loads. Okay, loading is finished. When loading is finished, you have to press the P key, because it's in pause mode, and you see you are here at the parking ramp with your K8 or your glider which you have selected. Yeah, all loaded up. We are in multiplayer. We can chat here, so we are logged in. Now, we can load up our flight plan or our task. We select flight, then flight planner, then here we click load, and here we select FSX Bitfork task 6 or the task which you want to fly. Bitfork task 6. I press here, then the flight is loaded up. Here you can see the flight. I was loaded up correctly. Then here we can press OK. Then it's very important to press here OK or yes, because if you won't press this F6, you will stay at the GA parking. This dialog box just asks you if you want to go to the starting point which is specified in the flight plan. Okay, now you see, great, huh? We are here at Bitford, at the ground, and at the task starting point. Of course, we can now slew the aircraft and place it in the right position we want. So we can place it a bit more right or left, then press just Y again. Yeah, and we're here, and we're ready to start. We can winch our aerotow, and yeah, we are ready. And here I will say happy flying and good flight. So because the next part of this tutorial, I will show you what you need to do if you are the tow pilot. So if you tow an airplane in the air. Okay, so you log in just normally here, type in the IP, and you're here at the dialog box. As the aircraft, just select the tow plane. I recommend the default plane so everyone can see it. I use the Cessna here with the G1000 cockpit because it's very good to use it. To the Cessna it can hold the speed very well. So now here we select our airport, for example Shoreham, parking, OK, and fly. F6 will load like before. Okay, we're here at Shoreham. Alright, we're here. Okay, the aircraft is loaded. And now we are doing the following steps. It's like if we are flying the glider, if you're the tow pilot, you have to load up the task file 2, Bitfork task 6 for Then press OK, and here, yes. Okay, and now we're at Shoreham. No, Shoreham, where I say Bitford. We're at Bitford, like the glider, but we're aerotowing, so we don't need to be here at the winch launch point or at the runway. So now, if you're the aerotow pilot, just taxi from the runway. So release your parking brake, and leave the runway. That's really important, so the other people can start without problems. And if you're needed, you will hear that via TeamSpeak, I think, and until this moment, just park here. just park here, and you can switch off the engine if you like, and just wait here and park, so not to disturb the other people. Yeah, so this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and liked it, and yeah, see you guys, bye.